Data analyst roles in public sector. ChatGap said, data analyst roles in the public sector are crucial for informed decision-making, policy formulation, and effective resource allocation. These roles span across various government departments such as health, education, transportation, finance, planning and development, law enforcement, taxation, and more. Key responsibilities of a public sector data analyst. Data collection and cleaning. Extract data from internal systems, surveys, or public records. Clean and validate data to ensure accuracy and completeness. Data analysis and interpretation. Use statistical methods and software Excel, R, Python, SPSS, etc. to identify trends, patterns, and insights. Conduct cost-benefit, impact, and risk analysis. Reporting and visualization. Prepare reports, dashboards, and visualizations. Power BI, Tableau for government stakeholders. Translate data findings into actionable policy or operational recommendations. Policy support. Assist in designing and evaluating public policies and programs using data. Provide evidence-based support for legislative or budget proposals. Monitoring and evaluation. Track KPIs and performance metrics of government programs. Assist in audits, compliance checks, and impact assessments. Data governance and ethics. Ensure compliance with data privacy laws and ethical standards. Contribute to the development of open data initiatives and transparency. Common government departments employing data analysts. Department possible data analyst role. Planning and development, policy impact analysis, socioeconomic research, health, epidemiological data analysis, health systems efficiency, education, enrollment statistics, learning outcome evaluations, taxation and revenue forecasting, tax compliance behavior, police and justice, crime pattern analysis, judicial backlog analytics, transportation, traffic flow modeling, public transit optimization, environment climate trend analysis, pollution tracking, social welfare poverty assessment, welfare program effectiveness. Skills required. Technical, Excel, SQL, Python, R, Power, BI, or Tableau, GIS in some roles, SASPs, analytical, critical thinking, quantitative reasoning, problem solving, communication, report writing, presenting data insights to non-technical audiences, policy understanding, basic knowledge of public administration and policy making. Benefits of a public sector data analyst role: job stability and pension, especially in civil service roles. Opportunity to impact public well-being and policy. Involvement in large-scale projects and national datasets. Work-life balance in many cases. Opportunities for interdepartmental mobility and growth. Examples of job titles in public sector: Assistant Statistical Officer, Monitoring and Evaluation Officer, Research Associate, Analyst, Planning Officer, Miss Officer, Management Information Systems Policy Analyst, Economic Analyst, GIS or Data Mapping Analyst.